VFS stock still rallying. This is the sixth straight session of gains for the stock, up now 20.63% in this regular session of today, the 28th of August 2023. At some point, the price reached $93. This exceeded the previous high of 73.9 by $19.1, and it was 920.84% above the 52-week low of $9.11. So that $93 was a 52-week high. So what we are looking at right now is 11.3 million shares, but the volumes are not really increasing that much. Not really increasing that much. Maybe market participants are a bit skeptical now. They're not really pursuing it as such. I think also the reason why it must have gotten there is because it has only 17 million shares available, even though it has 2.3 billion shares outstanding. A lot of things are going on there. You can see the spread between the ask and the bid is also an indication that liquidity is quite low. Liquidity is an issue there. They have been using market orders to pursue the stock, and as such squeezing out liquidity in the stock. It's good for those who are the insiders who are still holding the much of the 2.3 billion shares. But I think when they are able to, the insiders are able to trade, the price is likely to pull back. But 6 straight session of gains for the stock. Yeah, and it's not a short squeeze as well. And they're also saying here that for the shares available for trading, only $1 billion in wealth has been generated. Okay. Yeah, that's what's going on. So let's have a look and see what the projections are. I mean, we should expect that at some point it should retrace. Now this is the whole week, the whole trading week, and onto the second week of gains for the stock now. So let's see. Now this is the 1 second chart for this stock. It's now at $82.77. Yeah, that's what's going on. Cooling off. This is 83.47. Still showing strength, still rebounding, still highly volatile. You can see 10-day volatility down here is let's see, 347.19%. highly volatile. So yes, infinitely crazy, man. So volatile, but it should pull back. I mean, at some point, but I would say don't bet on that. Don't bet on that, but it does pull back. It does consolidate, does correct, and also stuff like that. Let's see. Let's look at the 1-day chart and see what we have there. Okay, this is what we are looking at previously. There are no projections there at all. No projections. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart is stop calculating anything. Stop calculating any for the projections. The most upper projection here will be the closest projection it has is 64.63. So maybe it's the algos are calculating that it should pull back. Let's look at the 1-hour chart and see what we have there. Yes, they're not projecting anything further. We have it's just resting slightly above its most upper projection of $82 or thereabout. Yeah, the upper projection of $82.1. Yeah, this is on the 1-hour chart for VFS. So yes, and the author of this piece is also the piece I read earlier and was trying to compare the company with GM and all the other companies that are already making profit and selling way more cars. Yes, but it has nothing to really do with the fundamentals. If given the conditions that it is inherent with the stock, you will get this sort of prices. So it has nothing to do with fundamentals. If buyers get aggressive with the stock, they will the value will skyrocket. Even though it will be a mismatch, no doubt. But it's market participants that determine the actions, determine what the price is, not the fundamentals. Indeed, the fundamentals are will give you will give you will give you the grounds to go and invest. But when you get there, your actions will ultimately put the stock in a different place altogether. It could undervalue it, it could overvalue it. So yeah, so that's what's going on. VFS relentlessly running up the charts. Okay, this is the 1 second chart for the stock. I don't think we have I can't get anything okay, let's use a 10-second and see what it is like. On a 10-second chart, it's a lot more sedate. Okay, let's return again. Return to the 1 minute 1 second chart. Yeah, so see what you make of VFS stock, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.